Humanity drifts like a ship lost at sea, a rudderless vessel in endless dark. We have the power of infinite potential, yet along the way, we've been taught to forget.
President Trump, is America preparing for war with China and Russia?
The Amazon rainforest is disappearing.
Global temperatures are accelerating.
Food shortages are imminent.
China has increased military expenditure.
Could a spiritual revolution be the only way to save humanity?
No one's coming to save us.
There's nowhere left to go.
A watchful gaze falls upon humanity. A question lingers. Will they heed the warning this time? World leaders now face a choice. Continue the cycle of destruction or hand over control once and for all to something greater than themselves.
They've lived without war for centuries? Can you even imagine such peace?
You have been selected, but act quickly. The course of your world rests in your hands. Your moments are counting down.
Your spiritual revolution is a child's scribble.